What's fresh from the farm is what's for lunch and dinner at Odd Duck, a one-time food trailer that's now one of the most popular spots in Austin.
This place is pure Austin, and I love the decor and the philosophy and attitude.
Odd Duck's the brick and mortar reincarnation of farm to table trailer, started by my business partner Bryce Gilmore back in 2009.
Yeah, and it was just right over there.
Yeah, literally same lot. You can kind of pick out the footprint where it used to be, which is really cool.
What's also cool is knowing where your food comes from. Like this succulent Wagyu sliced ribeye, raised at a ranch just up the road, layered with beef crackling tater tots and puffs of mustard bechamel. Or how about a thick, juicy burger, also locally raised, on a scratched baked bun with homemade fried egg pimento.
It's a different menu every time we're here, and it's always something special.
That was the goal from day one. Serve food fresh from local farms when brothers Bryce and Dylan Gilmore started the business about 7 years ago.
I'll be close on tacos.
Talented chef Mark Booley jumped in, moving his wife here from Aspen and adopting some kids from the local shelter. He leads this fantastic team. What drives the menu is what's in season.
I'm really impressed by all the natural ingredients that they're showing. I like that they're using farm fresh.
It's also about taking what's trending in Austin and giving it an undeniable Odd Duck twist. Take, for instance, the duck eggs and ham, or these pig-faced pretzels stuffed with cheesy, bacony goodness, served in a bath of frothy egg foam.
I always joke that our food always is like the classy version of trashy. So we take like a lot of things that you think of as gas station food, and we might do our version of it with really great ingredients and then knowledgeable preparations.
And all made from scratch, including the bread baked in the same wood-fired oven that fuels the grill. Oh, look at that. The special today, a giant chicken sandwich like no other chicken sandwich I've ever seen or tasted. Okay, chef, so now this is one of the more popular sandwiches, right?
Yeah, for sure. Absolutely. The fried chicken seems like no matter what iteration you put on the menu, it always seems to be one of the heavy hitters. We're going to start with building the sandwich, doing the egg salad on both sides. We're going to liberally coat that both sides with it, because sandwiches, to me, are all about moisture.
Cucumber slaw made with bread and butter pickles, jalapeno, and Thai chilies add a nice kick to the dish. Ooh, that's fun. Forget the lettuce. Cilantro, dill, and mint make for an enticing addition here. Oh my gosh. People really eat this whole all at once without a knife and fork?
Yeah, some people do it for sure.
That's amazing. It's the mint.
Yeah, mint and fried chicken love each other. It's all about bringing the freshness. Yeah.
You never know who you'll run into at Odd Duck. Look who we saw. Country singer Randy Rogers.
This is my second time to Odd Duck, and today's my birthday, so I wanted to come back.
I can't wait to come back either.